attain to any form of competitive physical or game and aims to use, maintain or improve physical ability and skills while providing enjoyment to the participant. Which sport do you love to play? Tell me in the comment section. Hello lovelies and welcome back to today's video where we have started a new series to cover all the different categories under Forbes 30 under 30 so that the people who wish to be a part of it know the detail, know about the people who have been in the list, and also most importantly understand that you can make it here if you enjoy doing what you do and if you follow your passion. In this video, I will be talking about opportunities in the sports industry, the stories of their players and the owners, and what you can be doing in this industry if you have interest in this. So, to tell a bit about myself, I am Akshada Patel, freelancer and content creator from Team Kanishka. So, let me tell you about this industry. Sports. Sports is all form of usual competitive physical activity which through casual or organized participation aim to use, maintain or improve physical ability and skills. I know you know about sports, I'm not going in technical. Sports are usually governed by sets of rules or customs which serves to ensure fair competition. Now let's jump into the most interesting part of the video. The person who made in Forbes 30 under 30 in this field are, there is only one. Wait, I'm telling about it. Till then, subscribe the channel. Shubham Gill, a 21-year-old cricketer. I told myself I can't let this series be remembered for this. I must make a contribution towards changing this. He says, Gill had taken up the mantle of turnaround was evident when he scored fluent 45 in next match. His debut test against pace fiends Pat Cummins and Josh Hazlewood among the top 10 test bowler. In an inning marked by remarkable flair and poise for a 21-year-old, he scored briskly without even looking rushed. By the end of the series where he signed off with a 91, he accomplished stroke play due as he did termity to the stomach dares from the rentless Australian Ask Mittelstadt, whom hit for 3 boundaries in an over. Cricket writer Guyden Hayek summed up in the Australian, a scary thought for the bowlers is that Gill is just 21. His seamless transition to the international level was perhaps only a matter of time. So, this was all about him. Now, let me tell you what you can do in this industry. Does loving sports more than academic syllabus is a waste of time? Not at all. If you can't be on the field or court, how about doing something off of it? There are many careers that utilize athlete knowledge and skills. So here's are the top 5 career options you can do in this industry. Number 1, a coach. Great way to put your experience in the game you love to good use. Most entry-level jobs require experience in the sports you want to coach and exhaustive knowledge of the game. It is also necessary. Imagine the influence you can have on the young players. Number 2, athlete trainer. Work on diagnosing and treating injuries sustained in the muscle and bone by athletes. They are healthcare workers and also help the athletes in preventing any further injuries. This requires a bachelor degree in sports. Fitness trainer. You will be able to work with individual or group providing both instruction and motivation while you don't need a college degree to be in a fitness trainer. You know that, right? You can have an associate or bachelor degree in health or fitness major. Number 4, sports announcer. There are 2 kinds of sports announcers. Public address announcer and broadcast announcer. Public address announcer communicate with the participant at a game to tell them about play-by-play during the game. Broadcast sport announcer offer commentary and interview participant and other guests. Number 5, sports reporter or a blogger. You will get to watch sporting event and interview professional athletes and coaches. Then you will report stories either in newspaper or on the website or during television or radio broadcast. Let's conclude. Hope you all enjoyed this video and got some informative stuff from this. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us on our Instagram page Career with Kanishka. Share this video with all your friends who think they can make career in this field and find this video interesting. Hit the bell icon to stay updated regarding more such interesting career fields. This was the last video of our series. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the part 2. Till then, do subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much.